बहुत समय पहले की बात है। एक चुड़ैल थी, पेड़ों पे रहती थी, घने जंगलों में। उल्टे पैर थे उसके।
Everything is okay, but if you need to become a superhuman to win against patriarchy, then there's no point, man. Yes, Bulbul is a very prominent voice against patriarchy. Directed by Anvita Dattaguptan and produced by Anushka Sharma, it is a story which illustrates the journey of a woman through the practices of child marriage or through the malpractices of child marriage, abuse, rape, and many more. The most interesting part of the story is not only male are patriarchal and not only females think about woman empowerment. Thank you for understanding the truth, Anvita.
কলঙ্কিনী রাধা কদম গাছে উঠিয়া হাসে কানু হারাম জাদা মাহে তোয়.
Now, the way the film started, we had to think that this story is going to tell us something really serious through a wonderful course of narrative and a carefully thought about cinematography by Siddharth Diwan. The screenplay written by the director also seemed to place multiple layers under one.
एक जानवर का काम नहीं है, किसी आदमी ने किया है।
औरत भी तो हो सकती है।
But gradually the movie goes forward and gradually we come to see a lot of things which are like, undigestible.
अब सबकी आपके जैसी किस्मत कहाँ दीदी, जो ऐसे बेरंगी सादे कपड़ों में भी अच्छी लगती हो.
We are not going to tell you the story. But who calls the husband Thakur Moshai? Thakur Moshai means the priest of the Bengali family and it has nothing to do with Thakuron ki Haveli or even with the Devar aka Thakur ko.
ठाकुर मशाई पूछो में तो सिर्फ 3 ही महीने हैं.
And zamindars, they never lived secluded in a dense forest. Do a little research, man, please. The abuse is the horror of the film. No denial at all. And yes, this kind of terrific abuse is still very much real in India. The leading lady, played by Tripti Dimri, acquired some supernatural power against the oppression she faced since her childhood and punishes them who wronged her. Not only her, but any other woman. But the world she lives in, with the yellow and blue tone suggesting her innocence and red and pink suggesting her experience, is not real at all. Nothing seems to be this worldly. Rahul Bose playing the two abusers in two different roles, Pauli Dam playing the victim and the inflictor, Avinav Tiwari playing the representative of a common man or the audience who only gets what is shown, and finally the male savior Parambrata Chattopadhyay with an attitude of the 21st century placed in the British rule. Nothing seems real, dear. And if the fight is not real, what is the point, ma'am? No, we did not expect a lot from the screenplay writer of Shandar and Filori. No, we really did not. You don't have to be courageous or controlled or realistic or passionate like Sony. But please, do not put up a head-to-toe commercial fantasy narrative to be a feminist retelling. And you, the audience, please do understand the distinction between proposing a feminist narrative and just proposing a narrative with female commercialization as the USP.
शेर हिरन.
So, this was my perspective on Netflix's Bulbul. Share yours in the comment section. Watch and support good films. Throw the bad ones in the bin. Subscribe to our channel for more film-related discussions like this. Finicky Flickers.